Good morning, Lights and Events. How can I help you?
Good morning. Tom Woodford speaking. Could you put me through to administration, please? It's very urgent.
Certainly. Just a moment, please.
Administration, Sigdom speaking. How can I help you?
Hello, Sigdom. This is Linda. I've got Tom Woodford for you. Could you take over, please?
Yeah, sure. Put him through.
Mr. Woodford, I'm putting you through to Mrs. Errat.
All right, thank you.
Good morning. Sigdom Arat speaking. How may I help you?
Good morning. Tom Woodford speaking. I've got a big problem. A month ago we agreed on equipment for our concert tomorrow, being delivered today. However, 3 items are missing.
Could you give me your order number, please?
Yeah, that's LC 05983.
LC05983. Yes, I've got it. Which items are missing, sir?
There's one 60mm resolution LED video wall panel, 20" by 30". The Lycian 1290 XLT 2K spotlight. And the third item is the Lycian Mark 350 spot.
Our apologies, sir. I'll check this with logistics. If you have a moment, I'll come right back to you.
Yes, please.
Mr. Woodford, it seems that 2 deliveries have been mixed up. I do apologise. I'll make sure that you get the missing items this afternoon.
That's a great relief. What time can I expect them?
We're aiming for 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock at the latest.
OK, Miss Errat. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, and my apologies again. Have a nice day, Mr. Woodford.
You too, Miss Errat. Goodbye.